Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Jaguar XF 2.2 diesel R Sport, finished in beautiful frenzy red. It has the black pack on it, so everything's blacked out up where all the chrome usually is. As you can see, it's a rare limited edition, especially in frenzy. Front park distance control, gloss black alloy wheels. The paintwork just gleams and shines, as you can see. It's got the twin exhaust, R Sport body styling, rear park distance control. It does have a camera as well. Boot area is lovely, and it's got the parcel shelf. It's an electric tailgate. Absolutely stunning condition. Partial privacy glass. It's got the full leather interior with the red stitch piping to go with the exterior. It's got the Meridian surround hi-fi system, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. It's got electric memory seats as well. Just start the car up, all the air vents work. Come up and down like that. Meridian sound system, cruise control, reverse camera, satellite navigation. Initialising, climate control, lovely storage spaces here. 97,110 miles. Satellite navigation, heated seats as well. Paddle shift on the gearbox. Turn it off. That goes down. Absolutely lovely condition car. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give me a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.